An year ago today, I picked up my second bike, and since then, I have covered almost 17,000 kilometers across the nearby districts and states together. I have ridden it along the beaches, between the mountains, the deserted lands, through the rains, from the forests, along the worst possible roads, and also along the best ones. Owning this bike has opened up doors I didn't know were there. I became a motor vlogger and a part time traveler because of her. She has let me realize my dreams and showed the way as well. It's because of her that I got some of my valuable friends and fellow riders. It's because of her that I realized how life can be on an edge, yet taught me not to let my dreams down. It's because of her that I am a person who is changing with each and every mile we cover together to be a better person. It's also because of her that I realize the value of my life, its motive, and how beautiful the life and the world can be. And finally, it's because of her that I got you all. She is not just a bike which is an year old. She is a bike which brings distances closer, which talks to the nature, which brings more friends together, which loves the open road, and yes, also loves me. It has been a year of most unexpected fun and smiles I ever had from a bike. She is a bike for life. She is my Veronica. Happy birthday. So guys, are you Vanderseen? Well, if you like to travel and you do travel, then yes, you are also Vanderseen. So don't forget to take one of these stickers from me the next time you see me on road. Till then, enjoy the video. Hello everyone, Vanderseen here. And guess what? Today is the first birthday of my bike. So it feels really good. It's been 1 year and I didn't even realize how this 1 year went through happily. And in this 1 year I completed around 16,900 kilometers. She gave me a lot of good moments in my life that I couldn't have if I didn't get her. And yes, today is a special day, so we are going to celebrate. Right now I am in the middle of somewhere between Vashi and Sanpada, and weather is beautiful. Unfortunately, I couldn't really wash the bike because I tried to find a couple of places where I could wash my bike, but everywhere there was waiting. Some 5 to 6 bikes waiting everywhere, and I need to wait there for 1.5 to 2 hours, which was not possible because I have some other work. So yeah, I'll wash it maybe tomorrow, but I couldn't wash it today, so that's okay. We will celebrate though. What was that, man? Was the chicken happy? Okay, anyways. So we are along the Palm Beach Road, the beautiful Palm Beach Road. So we are along the Palm Beach Road, the beauty of Navi Mumbai. And the weather is awesome, just waiting for monsoons to get over. I'm really frustrated. And also after this celebration that we'll do now, I'm going to announce a ride plan. Stay tuned for that. I'm so sorry I couldn't wash you, but I'll surely wash you before my ride. So a big ride is coming up, as I explained, as I gave a hint in my previous video. This is how we are going to celebrate. Yeah, this is a small cake, a pastry, just to celebrate the 1 year of my bike. Yes, we are going to cut this small cake. You know, I'm just alone right now, so there's no point buying a big cake, but that's okay. I don't know if this candle will stay. Yes, it is up. So happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Oh my god, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So yes, you know, the bike cannot eat a cake, but I can. This cake, I'm gonna eat it now. That is amazing. So finally I'm done with the celebration cake cutting. So guys, there is an important thing I want to tell you today. So I'm going to ride to Ahmedabad. Yes, you heard it right, Ahmedabad, on this coming Wednesday. So what is the plan? So guys, the plan is that me along with my friend who has the RC390 will be leaving for Ahmedabad on the morning of Wednesday. So probably around 5 in the morning, or around 4:35, so that we can reach Ahmedabad by 2 o'clock, by 2 in the afternoon. It probably takes around 9 hours to reach Ahmedabad, but because of the rains and stuff, it might get late. So we'll assume we will reach by 3 p.m. So once we check inside the hotel, we'll sleep for a couple of hours, and then after we sleep, we'll roam around at the spots which are favorable for watching at the night, and then we'll sleep all the night. Early in the morning we'll leave to watch Ahmedabad, the rest of the places that we didn't watch, and then after early afternoon we'll leave for Mumbai. So this is a 2-day plan, and yes, the planning is almost done. The ride is almost fixed. After a long time I'm doing such a long ride. Ahmedabad to Mumbai, it is almost 530 kilometers. So let's assume it is 550. So it will be around 11 to 1200 kilometers ride in 2 days. So yes, this is the plan. Then after Ahmedabad, we also have many rides to come, guys. So this year is gonna be really awesome. And if my plans work out well, at the end of this year we will do the most epic ride that I did till now, and one of the most anticipated rides that we have in India. So yes, many more rides to come, many more long rides to come in this coming months. And right now let's focus on Ahmedabad ride. So guys, if you haven't connected, or if you haven't liked my Facebook page, I would request you please like my Facebook page, because I'll be uploading my photos, I'll be uploading my all the stuff relating to the ride and the ride schedule over Facebook page. And yes, if you're watching this video and you are from Ahmedabad or anywhere between Ahmedabad, then you can just meet me. You can just coordinate with my schedule, with my leaving time and my arrival time through Facebook, and then you can wait somewhere and just wave a hand. I'll be very happy to meet you. So yes, this is the plan, guys. I've been planning this ride since a couple of weeks or months, but the problem is the rain. So I think the rain would get a little bit low now. It is really unpredictable, but yes, we can assume it will get reduced. And I hope we don't get any rain, any heavy rain at least in our route. Let's hope for the best. And that, my friends, is the Vashi railway station. This one, white one. This is the In Orbit Mall, and this is the harbour line beneath this bridge. So yes, that's all for this video. Just a celebration video, guys, for 1 year ownership of my bike. And if you have anything else, you can just really ask me down in the comment section below. Please do hit the like button, and yes guys, don't forget to subscribe. It is free, and it will really motivate me to do many rides and work on my vlogs. So thanks a lot for watching. Until then, peace out.